Hello, I'm Tristan, and thanks for stopping by my Learning Hub. Today we're going to be looking at geometry. Welcome back. Now we will be looking at the cosine rule. So first, consider this scalene triangle. So, in this scalene triangle, let's say that this side here is A, this B, and this is C. And let's say that this angle here is big B. So now, to prove the cosine rule, or to get the cosine rule, we need to split this triangle in half, or in two parts. So, here it is. And now we have two right angle triangles, which we can deal with. So, now let's label some more sides. Let's say that the height of the triangle, this length here, is h long. And let's say that here to here is x, and this would mean that this side here, from here to there, from the middle to this corner, is c minus x. So adding these two together, we get c. So that means it's correct. So now, in this triangle, the leftmost triangle, using Pythagoras' theorem, we can get a squared is equal to x squared plus 8 squared. And in the other triangle, this one, we get b squared is equal to c minus x whole thing squared plus 8 squared. So now, let's subtract both equations. So this will get us a squared minus b squared is equal to x squared minus c minus x squared. And lastly, 8 squared minus 8 squared. Oops, it's square brackets. And now, taking out the square brackets, we get a squared minus b squared is equal to x squared minus c minus x squared plus 0. Now, let's rub the top part out here. And now let's continue. Let's expand c minus x squared. So, first, write the equation out. And then, minus, and in the bracket to get c minus x squared. So we'll get c squared minus 2xc plus x squared. Bracket close. Now, don't forget the brackets, as the negative might be a bit confusing. So a squared minus b squared equals, and now expanding the negative in, we get negative c squared plus 2xc minus x squared. So let's rub this out down here, and as you can see up the top, the x squares cancel out. Yay! So this makes our lives a lot easier. So now, rearranging the equation, we get a squared plus c squared minus 2xc is equal to b squared, or if you prefer, b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2xc. So, now we've almost done, but if you notice, we still have an x there, and we don't really want an x, so let's try and find out what x is. So rubbing the top out again, we get, if we want to find x, let's use cos here. So, adjacent over hypotenuse. So, the cosine of b is equal to x over a. And cross multiplying, we get, finally, x is equal to cos b times a, which is equal to a cos b. Sorry, it's a bit squished there, so I'll rub it out again, and yep, so it's equal to a cos b. So now, substituting it into the equation down here, that's supposed to be a squared, but we get b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. So this here is one form of the cosine rule. Yay! So another form is, if I rub the top bit out, is if we rearrange it, so 2ac cos b is equal to a squared minus b squared plus c squared, and this will get us cos b equals a squared minus b squared plus c squared, and taking the 2ac down here. So this is the form if you want to find an angle, and this is the form to find a side. So that's it for the cosine rule. I'll do a few examples in the next episode, but for now, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.